The bullets will fly and the cardinals will die! You better pick this up or I'm going to be extremely disappointed now! It's time for them to die!